The fifth, side hustles for millennials. Today, we will be talking about 5 popular side hustles and how to save money from them. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. My name is Chad, and I'm a self-proclaimed side hustle expert. I've been side hustling for years now, and I've learned a thing or two about how to make some extra cash and save some dough. All right, let's jump right into our first side hustle, driving for DoorDash, Uber, or Lyft. This is a pretty popular side hustle among millennials because it's flexible, easy to get into, and pays well. But if you're not careful, you could end up spending more money on gas than you're making. Tracking your mileage and expenses is therefore my first piece of advice. Make sure you're deducting all of your car-related expenses, such as gas, insurance, and maintenance. This will help you save money on your taxes and give you a better idea of how much money you're making. Another tip is to drive during peak hours. This is when you'll make the most money, so try to schedule your rides during rush hour or on weekends when people are out and about. All right, our next side hustle is selling items on eBay or other online marketplaces. This is a great way to declutter your home and make some extra cash. But if you're not careful, you could end up spending all of your profits on shipping and handling fees. So my first tip is always to weigh and measure your items before you list them. This will give you a better idea of how much it will cost to ship them and help you set your prices accordingly. Then, when you are out looking for items at garage sales, etc., always look up the sold items or completed sold items on eBay first to see what they have recently sold for. If you can't make at least 10-to-1 profit over your costs, walk away. And also ask to verify what they want for the item before you look it up on eBay, because people will see you looking it up and they will increase the price thinking it is worth more than it is. Another tip is to offer free shipping only on larger items. For smaller items, it's better to charge a shipping fee so you don't end up losing money. All right, our third side hustle is freelance writing or editing. This is a great way to make some extra cash if you're good with words. But if you're not careful, you could end up spending all of your time on low-paying gigs. So my first tip is to only take on high-paying gigs. Don't waste your time on gigs that pay peanuts. Instead, focus on finding clients who are willing to pay for your skills. Another tip is to set a minimum rate for your services. This will help you avoid taking on low-paying gigs and ensure that you're getting paid what you're worth. All right, our fourth side hustle is pet sitting or dog walking. This is a great way to make some extra cash if you love animals. But if you're not careful, you could end up spending more money on pet supplies than you're actually making. So, my first tip is to set clear boundaries with your clients. Let them know what you're willing and not willing to do. The fifth and final side hustle is making money with photography. Are you a fan of photography? Do you love capturing beautiful moments and stunning landscapes? Well, why not turn your passion into a profitable side hustle? That's right. You can make money with your photography skills. One great way to start is by selling your photos online. There are a ton of websites that allow you to upload your photos and sell them to potential buyers. Some popular ones include Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock. These sites typically take a commission from each sale, but it can be a great way to earn some extra cash. Another option is to offer your photography services to people in your local community. You can advertise your services on social media or create a website to showcase your work. Some potential clients might include engaged couples, families looking for holiday photos, or local businesses in need of promotional photos. Now that we've talked about 5 popular side hustles, let's talk about how to save the money you earn from them. First, set a savings goal. Decide on a percentage of your earnings that you want to save. It can be 10%, 20%, or even more if you feel ambitious. The important thing is to stick to it. Next, track your expenses. You'll want to know where your money is going so you can identify areas where you can cut back. There are plenty of apps out there that can help you track your spending, such as Mint, YNAB, or Personal Capital. You should also consider setting up a separate savings account specifically for your side hustle earnings. This will make it easier to track your progress towards your savings goal and ensure that you don't accidentally dip into your savings for day-to-day expenses. When you get a nice balance built up, don't just go out and blow it on shiny things. You are doing this for a reason, not self-gratification. When you get used to controlling your indulgences, you will be glad you did. Another way to save money is to take advantage of cashback and rewards programs. Many credit cards offer cashback or rewards points for certain purchases, such as gas, groceries, or dining out. If you use your credit card responsibly and pay it off in full every month, you can earn some serious cashback or rewards points. But if you don't practice self-control, do not even get a credit card. It is the single most killer of assets, credit card debt. You can also use apps like Ibotta or Rakuten to earn cashback on your purchases. These apps offer cashback on a wide range of items, from groceries to clothing to travel. Finally, don't be afraid to negotiate. Whether you're freelancing, driving for a ride-sharing service, or selling goods online, you have some degree of control over your earnings. If you think you're not getting paid enough for your time or effort, don't be afraid to negotiate for a higher rate or price. Your time is very valuable. Whatever hustle you do, make it worth your time. So, to summarize, if you're looking to make some extra cash, there are plenty of side hustles to choose from, including pet sitting, food delivery, freelance writing, ride-sharing, and selling goods online. Just remember to do your research, be realistic about your time and energy, and stay safe. And when it comes to saving the money you earn from your side hustle, remember to set a savings goal, track your expenses, and take advantage of cashback and rewards programs, and don't forget to negotiate for fair pay. I hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. If you have any other tips for side hustles or saving money, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more in the future.